I think just for you guys, it would be best to shut it down at the top.
Yeah?
Because the pass, your front wheel's about that high in the air.
Oh.
And it's right at the bottom of that S-turn where everybody comes down and hits that bank. Just on the bottom of that in the uphill lane, and he's blocking half.
Oh, so it's not on the steep part?
Just at the base of the steep part, right where it starts to climb.
Okay.
So, if you guys want, I can sit up top so you guys are safe.
Yeah, I mean,
Block it.
I'll definitely say absolutely.
I'll give you my number, and just do me a favor and call me when you're done. That way I'll clear it up.
If it's at the bottom, I feel way better about it.
Yeah, but it's right where everybody...
Right so where the right-hand turn is?
Yeah, if you're coming up, and it starts to climb really hard.
Yeah.
And then it does that, and you got the dirt part that goes over here.
Yeah.
He's like right here.
Oh, he's in the middle.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay. Yeah, I mean, I'll take whatever kind of blocking we can get.
I got a sand truck in or out.
Do you?
But it's just a little 550 because all our guys are out.
Yeah.
But anything's better than nothing, right?
Yeah, absolutely. Cool.
Yeah.
What's your name?
Casey.
Ryan.
Ryan?
Ryan.
Yep. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, no, thank you for the help, man.
Yeah.
You know, this road, every time you get a call on this road, I fucking hate it. But so it's like, when you don't know the road, you go up there and you just go flying up there, like, yeah.
Hey, so we're here drying. We got a green chalk up in Moonstone. It's a really steep road. So, what's the plan for today?
Well, right now we're following a road grader up Moonstone, which, as Vlad just said, is one of the slickest roads here in the county. Always known for problems from plow trucks to ambulances to fire trucks sliding down it. So we're being really cautious. The road grader's gonna stop the road. Vlad and I are gonna hopefully try to pull this shuttle van out of the ditch and get it down this hill as safely as possible. We're just about to assess what we have to do. We got to be careful because once we get it pulled out, we got to make sure that it doesn't just continue to slide down the embankment. Oh, smokes. Part of me wonders, man, if I point downhill, we hook that thing and I start to pull, and we just pull that to 90 degrees and come straight down the hill with it. You know what I mean? Or we can try to go right here and you try to, damn, that thing's in there. I think we should pull this thing downhill. Damn, it's a sheet of ice. Just throwing a chain on or a strap either on the wheel or something. Hey, I'm gonna go slow. Let's see how this goes. I'm gonna put it in. You go ahead and put it in neutral.
Okay.
Okay.
So you,
Just jump in there. I'm gonna see if it pivots just like this.
okay.
Okay. And if it does, we'll stop at this 45 and reassess. Okay.
Okay, just.
Okay. Jump back in there. We're gonna go out neutral.
Okay.
And we're just gonna pull this thing down and around. Okay, ready?
Are you doing the same thing?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Keep it in neutral. We're gonna spin. Okay, and then we're just gonna try to go real slow. Okay, and we're just gonna very slowly roll down this hill.
Okay.
So everything went really smooth. We did something a little unorthodox. We used gravity to help us. It's probably a 10,000 pound van pointing up, probably almost a 12% grade in the snow. So pulling it uphill would have been the most common way to do it, but we used the weight of gravity, and we were able to spin it 180 degrees and actually get it pointing downhill, where Vlad was able to pretty much ride the brakes and just nice and gently pull it out of the ditch in the direction that it would naturally want to go. So as you see, the van's behind us, no damage, no one got hurt, no additional accidents, thanks to the Summit County Road and Bridge Department. And I have to say, it's a successful day.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe so we can keep doing what we're doing. See you on the next one.